Okay, welcome back to another lesson. So in this lesson, I'm going to add these components up here. Post job. Not actually going anywhere as yet, except the logout one is set up. And we'll do that logout now, and gives us these options. So yeah, that's about it. Let's get into the code. So come in here. First thing we'll come into. I don't think we need to edit details. Nope, we don't. So come to navbar. So basically rewrite the whole navbar. So you're going to add in all these. And add fragment up there. And then everything else there stays the same. So we're going const authenticator equals this.props. So then if we are authenticated, we're going to give them this, this bit here. So actually first we'll have to make my button. So if we come to, you're going to go util, new file, mybutton.js. So import. So what this does just gives us, it only actually saves a couple of lines in this example, but in the future, if you're going to use the same component over and over again, it's good to have a thing like this. So we're going to take in children, unclick tip, button class name, tip class name. So title equals tip. So that is this here, the thing that pops up. And then class name, in case we want to give it a class name. Then we've got icon button unclick equals unclick, class name, button class name, and then the children in here. So save that. Come into, do the first one in profile. So you just import here my button from .util my button. So this is what we're replacing. So it only saves a couple of lines, so as I said, it's more useful in other applications. And it gives us a good template to work off. So get rid of this. That button was just sitting on top of the old button, so that's why we didn't actually see two. If that's all good for you. Then we'll go to navbar. Sorry, I should have shown this out before I started. So we're going to have a fragment, covers the whole thing. And then we're going to have a link. So first one, post a job. Second one is a link, so we wrap the my button in a link. 2 / which is home, as you know. Okay, then down, my button, notifications, leads to nowhere as yet, and then we got logout, which is another link one. So that's if we're authenticated. If we're not authenticated, the stuff you had before is this stuff here. So we'll go not authenticated, like so, and then you know what happens if you log back in. I'm sorry, I forgot to say it's all in a toolbar as well. If that wasn't already there, so that's all good. Now we just want to have navbar prop types and map state to props. That's how we can get authenticated in there. That's why we need this. And then I've just added map actions to props. I've just put logout user in there. So save that. Oh, one more thing. because these will just be the primary color, I have to go into app.css and go .nav container svg, which covers our buttons, and we'll just make it white like that. I'll just get rid of this and show you. Well, I'm sure why they're not reverting back. Oh. But if you have that issue, come into here, app.css. And that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson where I'll think of something and then we'll cover in the next lesson. So stay tuned.